Now let us move on to the next group of verbs. They are the IR verbs. So now we are going to learn to write the IR verbs in the future tense. Now here also the endings remain the same. The change lies in the stem or the root. Here, for example, let us take the verb finir. So in the infinitive form, it is finir. So this is similar to how we write the ER verbs. We would write the infinitive followed by the endings. Yes. For je, it is AI. Do you remember the endings? Shall we write it once again? AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT, ONT. So this is the ending for ER verb and for the IR verbs. So it is very easy now since we have already learnt for the ER verbs. So here also we write the infinitive as it is followed by the ending. For je, it is AI. Je finirai. It means, first what does finir mean? It means to finish. So je finirai means I will finish. I will finish. Je finirai. For tu also we write the infinitive followed by what is the ending for tu? It is as, finira. It means you will finish. Next, for il. What do? We write the infinitive followed by the ending a. Il finira. It means he will finish. Il finira. He will finish. For el, infinitive followed by what is the ending? It is a. She will finish. So you must have noticed le futur, the future tense, is very simple. You just have to learn the endings. Now moving on to nu. We write the infinitive finir followed by the ending. What is the ending for nu? It is ONS. Nous finirons. Nous finirons. It means we will finish. Next, for vous. We write the infinitive and what is the ending for vous? It is EZ. Vous finirez. You will finish. And for il, it is infinitive followed by ending ONT. For il, the ending is ONT. It means they will finish. And for L, the infinitive followed by the ending ONT. This also means they will finish. So it's very easy to write the future tense. You just have to remember the endings. Now we have seen how to write the future tense for ER verbs and IR verbs. For ER verbs also, we write the infinitive as it is, followed by the endings. And for the IR verbs also, we write the infinitive followed by the endings. Now, we will move on to the third group of verbs, the RE verbs. So, we are going to see the future tense for RE verbs. So, let us take for example prendre. Prendre. It is an RE verb. Prendre means to take. Prendre. The RE verbs. Now, to conjugate prendre, the root here is, we remove E. That is how we get the root. And we write the root followed by the endings. The endings are the same as that of the ER and the IR verbs. So, it is again very simple. So, how do we write? Je. The root is up to R and the ending for je is AI. So, je prendrai. Je prendrai. It means I will take. I will take. So, it is very similar, only that the stem changes. We drop the E. For tu, we write the stem. It is prendre. And for tu, it is AS. Tu prendras. It means you will take. Is it easy? You just have to drop the letter E and add the endings as usual. For il prendra. The ending is A. It means he will take. For elle, it is elle prendra. It means she will take. Shall we move on to the next 4 subject pronouns? For nous, it is nous prendre. We write the stem followed by the ending ONS. This means we will take. Nous prendrons. We will take. For vous, yes, it is vous prendrez. We write the stem plus the ending. It means you will take. For il, we write the stem followed by the ending ONT. It means they will take. And finally, for L, we write the stem followed by the ending. They will take. So now we have learnt how to write the future tense for the ER verbs, IR verbs and the RE verbs. So in everything, the rule was simple. We have to write stem or root plus the ending. Stem or root plus the ending. The ending is the same for all the verbs. It is AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT and ONT. Now, these are for the regular verbs, that is group 1, group 2 and group 3 verbs. For the irregular verbs, you have to learn the stem. The endings remain the same there also, but you have to learn the stem. Now, I shall give you a list of some of the irregular verbs along with their stems.